Alright, so here we are back to my kids' giraffe painting. Now that it's dried, I can already see how I would like to change my painting. For example, I had a wrong angle going through my cloud, so I'm going to definitely take some white paint later and just paint over that. But what I did do, because I painted right over the giraffe's eyes, was just take some black paint and then just made dots for his eyes. You just really have to be careful because you need to be very exact with making the circles. So if beforehand you really take a good look at your brush, it will really help you make those fine points. Another thing that I did do with the hill here was just not put so much paint here, and also take some more water and then make it a little bit lighter on the top. And probably what I would have done differently would be not put as much paint here. To be honest, I got a little distracted by texting with a friend, so at this time I wasn't as focused. So you can see that I was more neat when it came to painting green grass on this side. But that's how it's turned out so far. I also want to put a little bit more black onto the giraffe's hoofs because I had forgotten that. So that's how my giraffe looks so far. I hope you like it, the design anyways, and I'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to just make my cloud over here have some more puffiness. It might not be the same color as the rest of the cloud. So what I might do is also just go and make the whole cloud this white color. But as you can see, I already had the lines there. So I could make it nice and even, fully, and then just paint the rest of it in. Okay, almost done. Yeah, let's try to make it an even tone. Probably have to go over it 1 or 2 or 3 more times if I really, really wanted to make it pure white. This paper is not like pure white color. As you can see, it's like a cream color. So I'm just gonna fill in what I can here. Go over to this other cloud, start in the middle. Just make a circle. So I can get rid of this blue. It's okay if I just go over that black line. Have a special design to it. Okay, so it's okay if it's not perfect. As long as you can get the general idea of this puffy white cloud, it'll be okay. From far away, they won't be able to see some of the fine lines that are coming out. Okay, And then I'm going to just wash my brush and then go over some of the giraffe details, the black. And maybe not use so much water. So that it doesn't run off the page or anything like that. Okay, so those are the hoofs. Just want to finish that up and then also get these lines in so you can see the giraffe design better. And there it is. But I can probably go too.